Here's how to categorize your tables in OpenTable. Choose Availability from the menu. Highlight the tables you'd like to categorize, and choose the table type that matches your selection. You can use categories to make groups of tables reservable for certain shifts. Choose Schedule, then pick the shift you'd like to modify, and click Shift Settings. You will see your table types or categories here, and you can adjust their availability by clicking here. As always, don't forget to click Save and then Publish when you're finished.